because it's the holiday season, we wanted to make it easy because everybody's just trying to get a couple dollars, right? Who hasn't spent a ton of money over Christmas and needs to fill those pockets back up, right? Of course you have. So that's the goal with Holiday Gold Rush. We're going to show you how you can go out, take free traffic, and get started earning anywhere up to $30 to $150 a day. Now that may seem dramatic, but the truth of the matter is this is all in your hands. You want to make $30 a day, just put in a little tiny work. You want to make $100 a day, put in just a little bit more work. And then from there, we show you how to scale this up using paid traffic, but you do not need the paid traffic to get started. In fact, the goal with Holiday Gold Rush is to get you seeing profits and commissions within the next 24 to 48 hours using only the free traffic methods. Now, the best part is that this is completely newbie friendly. There's no product creation, there's no crazy page building, there's no super funnels, there's no craziness. You don't even need to have your own website if you don't want to. So that's what makes Holiday Gold Rush so special. Now, I know you probably swore you wouldn't pick any more of these offers up again, especially over the holiday season, but I promise you the whole goal with Holiday Gold Rush is to, first of all, take away that fear, and second of all, to put some quick cash in your pockets. And the best part is it's not just going to last the holiday season. This method will go on and on forever and has been working for years. It's new, it's fresh, and guess what? You're going to absolutely love it. So quickly scroll on down this page, check out all the juicy details, and then hit that buy button, because after launch week, we're going to be increasing the price. And when you get on the inside, you're going to understand why. So scroll down the page, check out all the details, and then click that buy now button before the price goes up. Later.